it's Ashley from Young Travel Art. Today we'll paint bamboo. Bamboo in China is a symbol of steady growth. This is a good quality that I highly value. We can use Chinese painting techniques to develop this quality. So let's plant bamboo and grow together. For this class, you'll need two different sized brushes, rice paper, dark ink, and also make some light ink. First, take out your middle-sized brush and dip it into dark ink, and then sweep your brush on the edge of the plate to get a gold tip. When you paint the bamboo's leaf, pay attention to the position of your brush. Make sure to keep it vertical over the rice paper. Paint with the tip of the brush. Press in slowly when you reach the middle part of the leaf, and then lift slowly as you finish the stroke. The path of the brush is up, then down. Now we will learn how to paint bamboo leaves in groups. Chinese characters like ren, ge, and jie are used to describe these groups because their shapes are similar. Let's start with ren. Sweep your brush to paint the branch. Paint a little upwards, then turn back to the right. Press the brush slowly, lifting after you pass the middle of the leaf. At the end, lift the brush, finishing with just the tip. Then add a shorter version of this stroke beside it. The second group is the Chinese character ge. Start with these short strokes. Then paint a leaf on the left side of the branch. Begin this stroke to the upper left. Then press downwards. Remember to lift the brush halfway through the stroke. Make sure your brush is not too dry to get a gold tip. Put 2 to 3 drops of water into the ink. Paint the middle leaf the longest. The last leaf starts higher than the other two. This leaf should be the shortest. The third group is a Chinese character, jie. Connect the first leaf to the branch. If you paint the end too fast, you'll find that the tip of the brush gets separated. So we should paint it slowly. Connect another leaf to the first one and paint it a little higher. Then the third leaf should be the highest. The fourth leaf goes on the left and is the shortest. Notice how these 4 leaves all have different widths. This makes them appear to be at different angles and make your work look more natural. Next, we will learn how to paint the bamboo pool. Dip the brush into light ink. Make sure the brush is not too wet. First, slant the brush to the right. Then, press the brush and paint upwards quickly. Finish by pressing the brush again. Leave a space between this stroke and the next. Press with half of the brush for this stroke. The next step is to paint between the 2 bamboo sections. Dip the brush into dark ink. Press the brush and sweep to the side to form a little triangle. There are a few different strokes you can use. Watch as I demonstrate. Next class, we will learn how to paint the whole plant.